Just when we think we've mapped the universe, it throws us a curveball. Moments ago, observatories worldwide detected something extraordinary, an object of immense proportions, appearing out of nowhere. This wasn't a glitch. Multiple telescopes confirmed it, a cosmic visitor unlike anything we've seen. The astronomical community is electrified. Phones ring, data streams, and the world's brightest minds scramble to identify this anomaly. It's not an asteroid, not a comet. Its energy signature is off the charts. Imagine a blue whale in your backyard pool, utterly out of place, rewriting the rules. The object's sudden appearance challenges everything we know about celestial motion. It didn't drift in, it burst onto the scene, demanding our attention. Now, every available telescope is locked on, cataloging this profound discovery. The universe has reminded us. We're still just spectators, humbled by its unpredictability. Our models, our predictions, suddenly, they're not enough. In a flash, a new cosmic dancer has taken the stage, moving to a rhythm we've never heard. This is a moment of awe, a stark reminder that the universe always has another surprise in store. And so we watch, speechless, as the void reveals yet another mystery. Before we unravel our new arrival, let's meet the object it's approaching. 3I Atlas. The I stands for Interstellar. This is no ordinary comet, but a rare visitor from another star system. Only the third interstellar object ever detected, 3I Atlas, is a cosmic message in a bottle, carrying secrets from a distant sun. Its discovery by Hawaii's Atlas telescopes was a scientific sensation. Unlike Oumuamua or Borisov, 3I Atlas is unique. Its composition, its journey, its story. By studying its light and gases, we compare it to our own comets, searching for clues about life's building blocks across the galaxy. 3I Atlas is a physical piece of another world, a priceless opportunity to understand our place in the cosmos. Its journey was a quiet marvel, until now. The sudden appearance of a colossal object on a collision course has turned a peaceful study into a cosmic drama. The stage was set for quiet science, but now, we're witnessing a blockbuster event. Two interstellar wanderers, about to cross paths in our solar system. The universe just raised the stakes. Meet Ethel, our new cosmic giant. Its name means homeland, but its origin is a mystery. Ethel is colossal, about 800 kilometers across, nearly the size of a dwarf planet. It's incredibly dark, reflecting almost no light, which is why it evaded detection. Its surface may be coated in complex organic compounds, making it a shadowy sphere gliding through space. Even more intriguing, Ethel is almost perfectly spherical, unusual for an object that isn't a planet or moon. This shape hints at powerful forces in its past, or perhaps a formation process we don't yet understand. Unlike comets, Ethel shows no coma or tail, even as it nears the sun. It's inert, silent, and cold. A cosmic puzzle. Is it a dead comet, a rogue proto-planet, or something else entirely? Its size, darkness, and perfect shape are the first clues in a mystery that's only deepening. Ethel isn't just an object, it's a question mark written across the sky. Ethel's path is anything but ordinary. It entered our solar system from above the ecliptic, dodging the gravitational pull of the outer planets until the last moment. Its speed and angle are highly unusual, fast, but not fast enough to escape the sun's grip. Most astonishing. Ethel is on a direct course for a close encounter with 3I Atlas. The odds of two interstellar objects meeting here are astronomically small. Supercomputers worldwide are recalculating the trajectory, but the encounter is imminent, just weeks away. This isn't random. It's as if one ship is steering to intercept another in the cosmic ocean. Is this pure chance, or is there more to the story? Ethel's immense mass is already tugging on nearby objects, letting us measure its density and structure. Every deviation in its path is a clue to its true nature. The universe has set the stage for a meeting of giants. We're about to witness a cosmic rendezvous that defies probability. The origin of Ethel is the ultimate enigma. Tracing its path points to a quiet, empty region in Ophiuchus. No star clusters, no nebulae. One theory: Ethel is a rogue planet, ejected from its home system billions of years ago, now wandering the galaxy. Another: it could be a primordial black hole, a relic from the dawn of the universe, though evidence is lacking. The most mind-bending idea? Ethel might be artificial, a product of extraterrestrial intelligence. For now, these are just whispers. The data will decide, but the strangeness of this event keeps every possibility on the table. Ethel's composition is a mystery wrapped in darkness. Its surface absorbs nearly all light, likely coated in complex organic molecules called tholins, formed by cosmic radiation. Spectroscopy offers hints: carbon, nitrogen, maybe silicates and metals beneath the dark crust. Its density, inferred from gravitational effects, could reveal if it's a fluffy, icy aggregate or a dense, rocky core. The upcoming encounter with 3I Atlas might expose fresh material, offering a rare glimpse inside. If Ethel's gravity fractures the comet, we'll see the raw ingredients of two alien worlds. This cosmic biopsy could answer questions we've never dared to ask. Every new measurement brings us closer to the truth. The universe is about to reveal its secrets. Will they collide? Projections show a near miss, just 50,000 kilometers apart, a cosmic hair's breadth. A slight change in trajectory or a burst of gas from 3I Atlas could tip the balance. If they do collide, the energy release would be cataclysmic. A flash visible across the solar system, a debris cloud rich with scientific treasure. Even without impact, Ethel's gravity could tear 3I Atlas apart, revealing its inner layers. This is a natural experiment on a scale we could never create. Earth is safe. We're distant spectators to this cosmic drama. Our role: watch, record, and learn. Whether it's a collision, fragmentation, or a gravitational handshake, the event will redefine our understanding of interstellar objects. The universe is playing cosmic billiards, and we have front row seats. This is science in real time, unpredictable, thrilling, and profound. The stakes are high, the outcome uncertain. We're witnessing history written in the stars. This encounter is more than spectacle. It's a scientific windfall. Two interstellar objects about to interact let us test physics in ways Earth never could. We'll learn about planet formation, comet behavior, and the chemistry of alien worlds. The global scientific community is united, sharing data and racing to understand this cosmic puzzle. It's a fire drill for future surprises, and a chance to glimpse the building blocks of life from two different star systems. If debris is ejected, we'll study the ingredients for life itself. This is not just astronomy, it's a search for our origins. The universe has handed us a laboratory. Now we must seize the moment. Ethel's arrival has changed how we see the sky. We now know that massive interstellar objects can enter our solar system undetected. This will drive new technology, better telescopes, wider surveys, and faster response. Our solar system is not a static clockwork, but a ship in a chaotic galactic sea. The story of Ethel and 3I Atlas will inspire generations, fueling research and imagination. The data we gather will shape science for decades. This event is a cosmic gift, a puzzle that will keep us searching for answers. We look up not just to chart the familiar, but to be surprised. Ethel is a reminder. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders yet to be found. The watch continues.